With the ability to recover contacts from iOS devices, iTunes, and iCloud backups, these tools stand as pillars of reassurance for users seeking to safeguard their address book. This exploration delves into the features and benefits of free iPhone contact recovery software. Part 2 to 5 Best iPhone Contact Recovery Software. Top 1. Mobican Doctor for iOS. As an expert in iOS data recovery, Mobican Doctor for iOS simplifies the process of recovering contacts and over 14 other types of iPhone data. How to use Doctor for iOS to recover deleted contacts from iPhone. Option 1. Recover iPhone contacts without backup. Launch Doctor for iOS and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Opt for Recover from iOS device. Choose Contacts, then click Start Scan. Preview the lost contacts before initiating the recovery. Select the desired contacts and click Recover to Computer to restore the deleted contacts on your computer. Option 2. Selectively restore iPhone contacts from iTunes backup. Open Doctor for iOS and select the Recover from iTunes Backup file mode. Choose the relevant iTunes backup and click Start Scan. Choose Contacts and click Start Scan to let the software scan the iTunes backup. To find all the lost contacts, preview and select the lost contacts, then click Recover to Computer. Set a storage path for your contacts, and the software will restore them on your computer. Option 3. Store only iPhone contacts from iCloud backup. Choose the Recover from iCloud mode and log into your iCloud account. Check Contacts in the file types, then click Start Scan to download your contacts. After scanning, preview your contacts and select Recover to Computer to retrieve all your contacts. Top 2 iPhone Data Recovery. iPhone Data Recovery serves as the best app to recover deleted contacts from iPhone. It adeptly handles situations of iPhone or iPad or iPod contact loss resulting from accidental deletion, jailbreak, iPhone software updates, system crashes, and more. Top 3. Enigma Recovery. Enigma Recovery stands out as a widely used iPhone data recovery software, proficient in recovering various iOS files including contacts, call logs, photos, videos, notes, WhatsApp data, and more. Top 4. Apple Rescue. Apple Rescue stands as a robust data recovery tool tailored for iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch users, supporting the recovery of 12 file types, including contacts, messages, call history, and notes. It facilitates easy connection to your iOS device. Top 5. DR Phone for iOS. DR Phone is a comprehensive data recovery tool designed for both iOS and Android devices. How to recover deleted contacts from Android, with a specific focus on iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touches.